coolest tools that you absolutely need to know about. So make sure to watch till the end because you don't want to miss any of these awesome picks. Want to check out these tools? We've got all the links in the video description, so be sure to take a look. Looking for the perfect blend of innovation and convenience in your toolkit? Meet the Secure xxxxxxxx Smart Screwdriver. This compact tool features somatosensory recognition, allowing you to control the rotation with simple hand movements, no buttons needed. With both manual and electric modes, it offers flexibility for any task, giving you precision and power in one. Plus, it's rechargeable and portable, making it ideal for home, office, or on-the-go projects. Meet the Xiaomi Mijia Electric Precision Screwdriver Magnetic Kit, your ultimate tool for tackling tiny tech repairs with ease. This sleek and compact electric screwdriver kit includes 24 magnetic bits to handle everything from phones and laptops to household gadgets. It's got a powerful 200 RPM motor, adjustable torque settings, and a long-lasting rechargeable battery, making every repair quick and efficient. Check out the SwissTech 11-in-1 Mini Multi-Tool, your all-in-one pocket-sized powerhouse. This compact multi-tool packs 11 essential tools into a sturdy folding design, including scissors, screwdrivers, a bottle opener, a ruler, and more. Perfect for quick fixes, outdoor adventures, or everyday tasks, it's built with high-quality stainless steel, making it both durable and lightweight. Looking for an affordable, easy-to-use home security system? The Kerui G18 wireless alarm might be just what you need. This DIY-friendly system offers real-time protection with door and window sensors, a loud 115 decibel siren, and even a motion detector to cover key areas in your home. Plus, you can customize it with up to 99 zones and control it remotely via a smartphone app. Introducing the Bigger Strong Tuya App Fingerprint Padlock P50, the future of security. This smart padlock combines convenience with robust security, offering fingerprint access, Bluetooth compatibility, and Tuya app integration for easy control. With its sturdy build and IP65 waterproof rating, it's designed to withstand various weather conditions, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Are you ready to experience the ultimate in precision and innovation? Introducing the Pentel Orange Nero PP3003-A mechanical pencil, a masterpiece of Japanese engineering. Designed with an automatic reeling mechanism and the advanced Olin system, this pencil keeps the lead protected while delivering an ultra-smooth writing and drawing experience. Available in both 0.3mm and 0.5mm, it's perfect for those who demand accuracy and durability. Here's a quick look at the Bosch LED Source Working Light Mini. Compact yet powerful, this LED work light is a must-have for any toolkit. With its bright, high-intensity beam, it lights up even the darkest workspaces, making every detail visible. Its lightweight, portable design and adjustable angle let you work hands-free in tight spots. Introducing the Mastfui Portable Gas Leak Detector, your essential safety tool for detecting combustible gas leaks quickly and easily. This compact device is equipped with high-sensitivity sensors, providing accurate readings to help prevent dangerous gas leaks in your home, RV, or workplace. Its lightweight design and user-friendly interface make it perfect for on-the-go use, while the audible and visual alarms alert you immediately when gas is detected. Need to power your laptop or other electronics on the go? The Baseus 150-watt car inverter is your answer. This powerful inverter converts your car's DC power into AC power, allowing you to charge and use devices like laptops, tablets, and even small appliances while you drive. Whether you're working on the road or need to keep your devices charged during long trips, this inverter has you covered. The Baseus Wireless Car Air Pump. Portable air compressor is handy device ensures that your tires are always at the perfect pressure no matter where you are. It's compact, easy to use, and can save you from unexpected flat tires. Whether you're on a road trip or just commuting to work, this air pump is a must-have for your car. Duca Atuman LS5. Laser rangefinder, the ultimate tool for precision measurement. With a range of up to 40 meters, this sleek pocket-sized device is perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. It features accurate laser measurement, a user-friendly digital display, and multiple modes including area volume and continuous measurement. Say goodbye to bulky tape measures, this electric digital ruler makes measuring faster, easier, and more reliable. Introducing the Baseus 3000A Car Jump Starter Power Bank, your ultimate on-the-go power solution. With an impressive 3000 ampere peak current, this compact device can jumpstart your car in seconds, even for larger vehicles like trucks and SUVs. But that's not all. It also doubles as a power bank to charge your devices with USB ports and a fast charging capability. Whether you're stuck with a dead battery or need extra power on the road, the Baseus 3000A has got you covered. Stay connected with your vehicle no matter where you are with the Xiaomi GPS tracker. This strong magnetic tracker attaches discreetly to your car and provides real-time location tracking. It's perfect for keeping tabs on your car's whereabouts, whether you're monitoring a new driver or just want added security. With accurate tracking and a long battery life, it's a reliable way to keep your car safe. Meet the Time Kettle Fluent Talk T1, the ultimate language translator built for effortless communication. With support for 40 languages and instant real-time translation, it's perfect for travel work or global connections. Its 4-inch HD screen ensures a crystal-clear display, while the cutting-edge Photo AI translation reads and translates text from images in a snap. Compact, stylish, and incredibly intuitive, the Fluent Talk T1 makes breaking language barriers easier than ever. Looking for the ultimate tactical advantage in your airsoft games? The Z-Tac Soft Air Tactical Headset ComTac 2 6.0 delivers unmatched performance, combining high-quality sound with durable military-grade construction. This headset features advanced noise cancellation, allowing you to stay focused in high-pressure environments, while the built-in microphone ensures clear communication with your team. Are you tired of wrinkles ruining your outfits? Meet the Xiaomi Mijia Handheld Garment Steamer 2. This sleek, portable steamer heats up in just 30 seconds, making it perfect for quick touch-ups at home or on the go. With its powerful steam output, it easily smooths out the toughest creases on all fabrics, from delicate silks to sturdy cottons. The ergonomic design and lightweight build ensure comfort while you steam away. Experience barista-quality espresso on the go with the Staresso Pro Mirage SP300. This sleek and compact device is perfect for coffee lovers on the go, combining advanced features with ease of use. With its unique design, you can brew rich espresso without needing a bulky machine or electricity. Just add your favorite ground coffee, hot water, and within minutes, you'll enjoy a delicious shot of espresso anywhere. The HTI HT10 Handheld Infrared Thermal Imager, the ultimate tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. With an impressive 252 by 192 thermal resolution, it's perfect for pinpointing PCB circuit repair issues, diagnosing floor heating systems, and much more. Compact yet powerful, this thermal camera delivers crystal-clear visuals and accurate temperature readings, making troubleshooting faster and easier than ever. Looking for quick muscle relief on the go? Meet the Mukazi Massage Gun Portable Percussion Pistol Massager. This compact powerhouse offers deep tissue relief with customizable speed settings, making it perfect for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone dealing with sore muscles. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and designed for precision, helping to improve blood flow, reduce tension, and speed up recovery. Introducing the B-Bird New Model, your high-tech solution for ear care. With its 30-second fast visual earwax removal, you can now clean your ears safely and efficiently at home. Featuring a high-definition camera and ultra-soft tips, it gives you a clear view on your smartphone while ensuring a gentle and precise experience. Perfect for the whole family, this smart device makes ear care easier and more hygienic than ever before. Looking for a secure and convenient way to upgrade your home? The Tiho TE002 fingerprint door lock has you covered. With its advanced biometric fingerprint technology, this smart lock offers quick and easy access, unlocking your door in just seconds. It also features a keypad and backup key option for added flexibility. Whether you're coming home with groceries or just want extra security, the Tiho TE002 combines high-tech convenience with peace of mind. Say hello to the Jacome JM8192, the ultimate 180-in-1 precision screwdriver tool set for all your repair needs. Whether you're fixing electronics gadgets or household items, this kit has you covered with its wide variety of durable, interchangeable bits and tools. Designed for professionals and DIYers alike, its compact and organized case ensures every tool is easy to find. Tackle even the trickiest repairs with precision and ease. Want to check out these tools? Find all the links in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay creative and keep building.